Hi, my name is Lily and I work with the support team at Klik. In this video, I will show you how to create a website for your property using the Rentivo platform. This video is here to complement the consistent written tutorial within the Rentivo platform and to show you some of the key elements when creating your website. To begin, go to your listing portfolio by clicking on Listings and then selecting Properties from the drop-down menu. There are two features here. The Rentivo icon, which leads you to the website builder extranet, and the sync button, which allows you to push any listing update made in Klik to your website. Before we start, we should note that all property data will be pushed from your listing in Klik, which means you do not need to update your property information in Rentivo because we handle it for you. This includes pricing, descriptions, and images, all of which are managed directly from the Klik dashboard and synchronized to your Rentivo website. If any of the listing features need to be changed, apply the changes in Klik and sync the data to Rentivo. Click on the Rentivo logo here. This will take you to your own website extranet homepage inside Rentivo. Initial setup. Once here, go to Manage Websites and select Create a Website. Then go through the setup steps as prompted. Firstly, choose the property you are creating a website for, click Next, and then enter the property name in the site name/title box. Choose your default currency and language, and select Next, and then finally click Build Website. Now you have the bare bones of a website and you can begin to customize it. Choose a template. We recommend you start by choosing a template, although if you wish to change your template choice at any time, all of the customizations that you have made will be automatically transferred to your new template for you. To choose your desired template, select Template from the menu on the left-hand side. If you scroll down here, you can see all the different themes that are available to you. The easiest way to decide your template is by trying out different ones. Throughout your setup, you can see your changes in real time by clicking on the link here. This opens your website exactly as it is now. So, if you want to see how a template looks, simply choose a design and then select either the default color palette or choose a custom one. Click on your selection and then click Confirm Template and Palette. Your new template will be activated, and then if you refresh your web page, you can see the new layout. You may want to play around a bit to find the design that is best for you. Here are some examples of existing websites. This is the Mimas template. This is the Pinnacle template. And this is the Fresher template. Basic information. Once you've settled on a template, it is time to enter the basic information. Select Basic from the menu on the left-hand side. Under Basic Information, give your website a name, ideally just the name of the property, and an email address and phone number for guests to contact you with any inquiries. Once this is done, click Save Settings. Other Site Settings. Then choose Site Settings from the menu here. This is where you will later be able to do any analytics or data tracking for your website. But for now, we will just use this to set the slogans for your website. Here you can set up 3 slogans. There are differences in slogan placement depending on the template, so again you may need to play around to figure out what works best for you. Do not worry about the poor visibility here, as we can change text colour later and add background images. Here are some examples of existing websites. This is the Mimas template, and this is the Encore template. It is also in this section that you can add your Google Analytics ID so that you can monitor how your website performs. Design Customization Logo. Once you've done this, you can move on to the more intricate customizations. Select Design from the menu on the left-hand side. If you select Logo from this menu, then you can upload a logo for your website by following the advice set out here. We recommend to use a logo that is wider than its height. Design Customization Background Images. Some themes allow you to add background images for greater visual impact, such as the Mimas template here, and the Prime template here. Go to Background. Here you can upload a selection of images for the background of your website. To do this, click Upload Background for Site, then select your image. Once it is loaded, click Save Settings here, and if you go to your website and refresh, you will see the new background. As you can see, the logo is uploaded here, and the image is now the background, making the text much easier to read. We recommend you use 4 to 5 image maximum, so the website is fast to download. Note that you can upload images larger than 1200 pixels wide, as our technology will resize them to be website friendly. Do not use portrait format images, as these do not work for this feature. For website themes which do not use background images, the first 5 images from your Klik listing is what will show in the image carousel. To change images, go to your listing and drag and drop images as best suited. We can sync the new image order by clicking on the button, and that new order is displayed instantly. Design customization colors. When you're happy with your background, you can move on to customizing the basic colors, which allow you to match your brand as close as possible. Here you can play around with the background colors, font colors, and footer colors. For example, we can change the main font color and the header navigation font. And then if you refresh your website, you will see the changes immediately. And if you're unhappy with any of these changes, you can go back and change them again. The colors settings vary depending on the themes, so it's good to test out what works best for your website. Design customization footer. After the colors are sorted, we can create the footer. The footer is generally used to show the management company name or any other external links that you may find suitable, i.e. your destination guide, another property website. Firstly, choose how many columns you wish to have, which will split the footer up into 3 sections. Then insert the text. If you want to link the text to a website, simply highlight the text, click the Insert Link button, and type the URL of the desired website. Select Open Link in New tab and click Insert. If we then click Save Content and go to the website and refresh, the footer will now appear at the bottom of the page. Design customization, headers and links. Now that you've done all the basics of customization, there are a few more things that you can customize if you want to. If you go to phrases, then you can change any of the default text in the website. For example, in the top banner menu, we see the word photos, and we prefer to change that to images. To do so, go to the phrases menu and search for the word photos. When we find it, we click to edit and type our new text. It will save automatically, and we can go back and refresh our website and see the new text in effect. It is important that every time you make a change, you record the changes that you have made, as the search function only relates to the default and not the edited text. Config, CSS, script, social media, adding languages. Finally, if you wish to use these more complex functionalities, it is best that you contact the Rentivo support team, who will guide you through the specific process. Now that you have completed your website, it is time to make it official by using your real domain name. You can see our tutorial video on how to change the DNS settings, which will direct your domain name to your website. We invite you to review our next tutorial on how to add unique content pages to your website to complement the information in greater detail. We have also created other tutorial videos about specific functions like adding a social media sharing tool. Or you can check out Rentivo's support page for more information, www.rentivo.com/docs. Thanks for watching this video. Please see our YouTube channel for more tutorials.